Page setup. I select Page setup. A window pops up. Under Page tab is Portrait and Landscape, which we have talked about. Scaling. I reduce adjust to 15. Press on OK. See what happened. Just 15% of the A4 is assigned to the form which we want to print. I change it to 52 again. Sometimes it is not fitted to the whole page. In this case, custom scaling is written here. Press on it and select Fit Sheet in one page. Fit to 2 pages, wide by 2 tall. The first 2 divides the page into 2 pages horizontally. The second divides vertically. So if I press on OK, there would be 4 pages instead of 1. I change them to 1 and press on OK. Paper size is A4. Print quality is the quality of printed page. And first page number, enter the page number you want Excel to use first. Options here is the printer options. Orientation, page color, and size. This box is what is shown by selecting printer properties. Header, footer. If it is needed to add any header or footer to the printed form, we can do it from this tab. There are some predefined headers and footers. The header is divided into 3 parts: left, center, and right. For example, someone wants to see the name of the form or what is this printed page about. We can type or insert the file name. For example, I select left section, and with the help of this icon, the file name is added to the left side of the header. And anything we can type or insert it. Insert time at right section. Can change the text format. I change its color and size. If I change it into 12 and color into black, the file path with the defined text format is inserted in the left. Or insert the page number, number of pages, date, the file path, even the sheet name, or we can insert the picture. The page in center and time at right side. For changing or adding again, come to this tab and press on custom header or footer. Custom footer. It is the same like the header. In right side of the footer, I want to add the pages. So click on the right box and select Insert Page Number. Press on OK. One is appeared in the right bottom of the page. OK, now I want to type off and press on Insert Number of Pages. If we have 10 pages form, then it will be shown 1 of 10, 2 of 10, and so on. So you see, we can type and customize these predefined options also. Click on different odd and even pages. Go to Header. 2 tabs are added here. Odd and even pages. File name which we have inserted will be shown in odd pages, like the first page, the third page, the fifth, and so on. I click on even page header. Nothing is here. So on even pages, like second, fourth, sixth, and so on, the file name is not shown. So this option divides the pages into odd and even pages and allows us to decide how to print pages with different headers and footers for odd and even pages. Different first page. I activate this option and go to Custom Footer. 2 tabs. Footer is for all pages. First page footer. It is just for the first page footer options. So when we want to have a different first page, we select it. Anything to be added under this tab is just shown in the first page, not all pages. Scale with document. The header and footer font size changes when you scale the worksheet for printing. Align with page margins. Now let's go to Margins tab and talk about it. Make sure here I left this as activated.